Hey Barons, Miss Carp here. This is video 2 for partial fraction decomposition, 11.5a linear non-repeating factors. So I've got this rational function here, and we've got x minus 19 in the numerator and x squared minus 10x plus 21. If you want to try this problem, then pause it and try it, and then I'm going to run through it. I will give you different times that you can pause it as well, just to say like, hey, did you get that? Check and see if you got that. But in the meantime, I'm going to go as quickly as I can so that the video doesn't take as long to upload. So here we go. So I've got a over, and I believe we have x minus 3 plus b over x minus 7. So we're looking for these two values. So we've got linear non-repeating factors, right? So that tells us to put an a and a b up here. We're going to do a fraction bust. So then I get x minus 19 equals a times x minus 7 plus b times x minus 3. So with that, we're going to let x equal 7, and we're going to solve and get rid of the a value, and I'll go get the b value. So if x equals 7, we get 7 minus 19 equals, this goes away, and then I get b and 7 minus 3. So this gets me negative 12 equals 4b, so b equals negative 3. So with that, we're going to do let x equal 3. That'll force the b value to go away. So I'll have 3 over here. Don't forget this side. 3 minus 19 equals a. 3 minus 7. So this gets me negative 16 equals negative 4a. So a equals positive 4. So those are my two a and b values. Please take a note. You are not done with this problem. So we want the partial fraction decomposition. So I'm going to rewrite the original rational function here. And this would end up being a is 4. Make sure we get this over the correct denominator factor, plus a negative 3 over the x minus 7. Now, if you want to run a check, you can check just to see if you can get that numerator. And I would do this. And I get 4x minus 28 minus 3 plus 9, and I get x minus 19. So it checks, and I already know that these are the two factors of that denominator. All right, Barons. Happy mathing.